Put your hands together and I welcome Shilpa, Chauhan and Paula Ferrazoli on the stage. Can we have a claps? Put your hands together. A warm welcome from Phyto Ativo Cosmetics. Here we go. Thank you.
Namaskara, Nama Bangalore. Welcome to the brand presentation of Phyto Ativo. अब मेरे को थोड़ा वर्ड्स बोलना है इस ब्रांड के बारे में, क्या ब्रांड है, किसके लिए है और कौन कौन ये इसे यूज़ कर सकता है। तो ये ब्रांड एक ब्राज़ीलियन लग्जरी हेयर ट्रीटमेंट ब्रांड है। ये ब्रांड प्योरली ब्राज़ीलियन ब्रांड है। इंडियन मार्केट में हम लोग 2 रेंजेस लॉन्च कर रहे हैं। द फर्स्ट रेंज इज ट्रॉपिकैलिस which is basically a Brazilian protein treatment, and the next range is hair vaccine, which is a deep hydration treatment. Now let me introduce you to our wonderful technical head Shilpa, Chauhan and Ferrazoli.
Namaskaram everyone.
Hello everybody, I'm Ferrazoli. I'm the owner of the company. I will tell a little bit about our story. Everything started with my mom in the college. She is a pharmacist, biochemistry, and she got the invitation of her teacher to go in the lab and be monitoring all the students so she could do the development of the products. So back 30 years before, she was in the labs of the university developing the products that we have here on stage. So this is where everything started. After this, we started growing in Brazilian market, and 5 years ago, we started the international business. So that's where I came up, because I'm the responsible by the international business of Phyto Ativo, and we are now starting in India. Shilpa,
yes.
I think you might be the best person to tell about the experience of using our products. But before, tell them a little bit about your experience with it.
Okay. Okay, once again, namaskaram everyone. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Thank you for coming in here to PBI, and thank you for actually giving your time to Phyto Ativo. One very important thing I would like to share with you all is hair straightening. Is it very difficult with natural products? How many of you all face challenge, especially when it comes to your client, to give them straight hair? Is it challenging, especially in South? Yes? How many of you all are saying it's challenging? Come on, raise your hand. Okay, superb. So we are here to face that challenge very, very smoothly, right? And with what? With Tropicalis. It's extremely super smooth treatment which will smoothen your hair, glossy shine, no chemicals absolutely at all, and it lasts up to 60 washes. Isn't it exciting? It's exciting, right? And one major thing which is very, very important in this, that it also repairs the hair. Most of the treatments work only where? Between cuticle and cortex, right? But this treatment would work also on your sulfur bonds. It will not further damage the sulfur bonds which are already broken, okay? And what else it can do? It will give you lustrous, shiny, smooth hair, okay? So if you all are really excited, let's play the video of the treatments what we have done. We have also worked on burnt hair. Yeah, can you do a burnt hair treatment with Tropicalis? Yes, you can. So let me show you the video. Check this out. So her hair is chemically compromised, not processed, but compromised. Yeah, so what we have done on her hair is a mixture of Tropicalis and hair vaccine. Tropicalis because she wanted straight hair, yeah, frizz-free hair. And why did we add hair vaccine? Hair vaccine is a magical name, right? How many of you all like this name, hair vaccine? Yeah, it saves your hair. So this saved this hair. So what we did, we created a fusion. We've created a fusion of straight hair and repair together, and we have done her treatment. You can see the before and after right there. There is no ironing, there is no blow drying, and you see the flawless results.
Shilpa, can I add some
Yes,
comments
please, Anna.
about this?
Yes.
As I have a background of chemistry and biochemistry, I like to complete some things about the products. When we have a straightening, usually we feel the hair more dry after a few washes. And with this product, you're not going to have this feeling because we have a mixture of butters and oils that are from Brazil. That's why the name Tropicalis, because it's a product mainly and genuinely made in Brazil. And when we think about dry hair, we have to think about hair vaccine. This product is made with hyaluronic acid. Do you know hyaluronic acid from skincare products? I think you might use it and are very familiar with this active ingredient. This is a super hydrating ingredient, and we brought this ingredient for hair care. So this is going to go to the cortex and all the other layers of the hair doing hydration, because hyaluronic acid has a great affinity with water. So whatever water is around the hair, it's going to capture and put inside the hair fiber. So when you see a dry hair, you remember of hair vaccine. That's why we used this on this blonde girl.
Yeah. Can we play the next video, please? So this hair, if you see, previously she had done a treatment which actually gave her a very thinner hair when it grew, okay? Obviously this is the growth of the previous treatment which was done, and that's her natural growth, okay? It's a virgin hair, it's curly, and it is very thick in texture. What we have done here is Tropicalis. You can see the after result. Before and after is very clear. The best part about this treatment, what you see is the integrity of the hair. Okay, there is no compromise with the integrity of the hair. It's super shiny, and from top to tip, it is hydrated and it is well repaired. Most of the treatments you will see that the ends always slip apart, and the hairdresser always need to chop the ends, yeah? Because what happens with heat, with the chemicals, it usually poofs up, right? But this treatment gives you complete sealed end. It not only works on the top layer of the hair, but it also works repairing the damage from inside. And hence, I decided to keep the name of this show, The Real Hair Story. This is real, and I have done all these treatments right in front of me to show you all the difference that we are bringing into this industry with organic products. You can close your eyes, you can trust this brand, and you can anytime gain more, trust, okay? Clients हमारे पास क्यों आते हैं? Why do clients come to us? Because of faith, right? Not because you are using XYZ product, okay? Why do they come? They know you. They know you, they have faith in you. So once they see the result of this, automatically the faith within you will develop furthermore, and what will you do? You will give great hair to this industry. Also, great health to yourself, your hairdressers, yeah? Because it's completely toxic free, yeah? Let's play the next video. This is a highlighted hair, okay? Complete global was done, highlights were done, but when the highlights were done, the hair became a bit chemically compromised. Again, in this, we have mixed these two products together, yeah, hair vaccine and Tropicalis. We have done it together and we have given the complete result. If you check, whenever this kind of a hair we do, what do we see? We see a lot of frizz in the end, even after end of the treatment. But if you see from mid-lengths to ends, it's just flawless. It is perfectly intact. There is no splits. Yeah. So anybody facing a hair fall issue, which is related to hair breakage, it sorts out that issue as well. Yeah. So isn't it amazing, guys? Yeah. So are you all excited to introduce this to your salon? Yeah. So you all can definitely come to our stall, which is Phyto Ativo stall, and inquire more about this product. And I will share more on this. Yeah.
Shilpa,
Anna, do you want to add something?
yes, but not about the products. I will add some comments about the name of the brand. You might be asking why Phyto Ativo, right? We are a brand that was born 30 years ago. So my mom, she is the founder, right? So when she was developing the products, she was in love by natural extracts. So she loves the nature and she knows about the power of the nature. Yeah. We have medicines, we have products for skin, but we also have products for hair that are very powerful. So Phyto means natural, plants, extracts, and Ativo is what it goes to do, it's going to do to the hair. So we have a mixture of natural and biotechnology to work in perfect results. So we have active ingredients that are natural here. So we have oils and butters of cupuaçu, mango, we have olive oil, we also have rice and soy protein. So we have all these natural ingredients making the change of the hair for healthier. And in hair vaccine, we mainly have the amino acids. We have 11 amino acids in the hair vaccine. Also the hyaluronic acid, which is a biotechnology. So we mix this in our brand so we can have the best results for all of you. I'd like to say also that we have a very sustainable and clean beauty products. So we care about, have you heard about clean beauty? What is it? What does it mean? Maybe people make a little mistake about clean beauty saying that it's all natural. But no, clean beauty is something that is clear, is transparent with the client, and that focus on the result, also focus on having a product that is going to be safe for your use. So no allergens, no products that might be a risk for your healthy, right? So we have this expertise and we introduce these in our products. Our packagings, they are sustainable, so we have a biodegradable plastic. So instead of having one normal plastic that is going to degrade on the environment for 100 years or more than that, we add one active ingredient on the development of our packaging to make it degrade in 10 years maximum. So we have a huge difference, 100, and now we are minimizing this for 10. Also, we have some packagings that we can do with recycled plastic. So we have all this plastic from the environment that is getting dirty and compromising the nature, and we make a chemical change and we develop a new bottle for you. So we are worried about the environment as well. So both. We have to take care of our clients, of your clients, and we have to take care about the environment because we need them as we use their extracts, as we use their ingredients to have this transformation in our hair. Okay?
Yep. Thank you, Anna. And yes, this is the next level revolution product from biodegradable bottles to non-toxic chemical treatments. And with this, I would like to call upon Aditya to speak about the brand vision.
So firstly, we need to understand what this brand wants. Where does it want to fly to? This brand is not here to, this brand is basically here to grow, to capture the Indian market. And how can we do that? By addressing the hairdresser's need. We have all kinds of people with different hair types in India. And we want every hair to be taken care of. Every client is very special, and we value that client. Trust is our biggest factor. We want to pursue our trust in hairdressers, in hairstylists, who are like magicians. They have this magic potion to transform the hairs of their clients. So we feel that this product is the need of every hairdresser to learn from, to expand to, and cater to every Indian hair type.
Okay. Yeah, we'll call sir.
Sorry? No, that's not it.
Okay. Yes.
Guys, I would like to say one more thing here, is that as we're different from other brands because we also have biochemistry people dealing about the education about our clients. So we know about the chemistry, and we know that what we are teaching and what we want you to know about the product is not just marketing. We want you to know about the real product and real potential and the risks and the not risks, the benefits that you might have with the product. So what we can guarantee is that we go through our clients with a very good relation, and we are going to always be there. I remember that I asked Adi why he chose Phyto Ativo, and he said that it was because of the trust, and because he was confident that we always would be with him any way that he needed. So this is the same thing that we want for our clients. So I hope to have all of you in our booth. I hope to have you join our brand so we can be together, right? Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone.
Check. Yes, can we have a claps, audience? It was a wonderful session, and we do have so many exciting offers. So the Meldrago's exciting offers kuda ide. So mundina session, I think Agnes Chain from Kevin Murphy. So I think she's ready. Okay. And we do have so many stalls over there, and ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇರ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಹಾಗೆ ನೇಲ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಹತ್ರ ಸೊ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಹ ಐ ಲ್ಯಾಶಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಕಿಂದ ಅವರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ ಲರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ experienced also. So 3 Tanks presents Professional Beauty powered by Iconic and Academy partner, Naturals Beauty Academy, Hair Care partner, Beauty Garage, Makeup partner, Europe Girl, Nail Care partner, Shil's Professionals, and marketing partner, Vibe Stores, recruitment partner, Cohoth, skincare partner, Skinrora. And ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ social media page na definitely follow ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು using a hashtag. It's none other than professionalbeauty.in, and Instagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳನ್ನ you'll be getting a new updates also. So right now moving on to the very next session. The next session is by Agnes Chain. So right now we are taking a 15 minutes break. Even 15 minutes break ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ definitely ನಾವು program start ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. So at the beauty stage already session start ಆಗಿದೆ. I think you all can join over there. Thank you so much.